Begin standing upright in mountain pose with your hands on your hips. Hinge forward from your hips and place your fingertips on the floor in front of your feet. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings at the back of your legs. Lift your head and gaze forwards. Open the chest and lift away from the thighs and lengthen from the tailbone and spine to the crown of the head. If you are flexible enough, bend your knees and slightly lift the balls of the feet so that you can slide your upturned palms underneath to increase the stretch. Fold the upper body towards the thighs. To release the posture, place your hands on your hips and hinge upwards from the hips to standing.